everyone, it's Wally, and today I'm making Thai chicken and cashew nuts.
Thai chicken and cashew nuts is one of my favorite dishes to order in traditional Thai Chinese restaurant. It's very similar to Chinese chicken and cashew nuts, except that there is Thai chili paste. Alright, and to be honest, I actually prefer the Thai version of chicken and cashew nuts because I really think it's much tastier, mainly due to this Thai chili paste. And it is a very, very simple recipe to do as always. It's a very quick stir fry. Right here I have one whole chicken breast that I cut into strips like this. Okay, just bite-sized chunks. And right here is the other important ingredient, cashew nuts. I have about just half a cup here. And then I have red and green bell peppers. Over here it's maybe about 2.5 cups of bell peppers. And then I have half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic that were just chopped, but not too small, right here. And I have 5 dried chilies and scallions to give it a fresh taste. Okay, so this is a stir fry, so I need to make a sauce. So in this sauce I have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And my all-time favorite, Shaoxing wine. I just need 2 teaspoons. Not too much because it is a strong ingredient. And then here is an ingredient that is always in a lot of Thai recipes, fish sauce. And also 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I use this brand here, dark soy sauce. And 2 teaspoons of Thai chili paste. I'm starting to use this more in my cooking now because I think the flavor of Thai chili paste is awesome. So I'm experimenting with different recipes using this brand of Thai chili paste. It's pretty good. And finally, just a half teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar.
Because just like anywhere in Thailand, different restaurants make different styles of Thai chicken and cashew nut. Some restaurants make it more sweet, some restaurants make it more sour. I like mine a little bit more sour. That's why I always add a little bit of rice wine vinegar and just give this a good mix. And this sauce here will darken the chicken. This dark sauce will give the classic distinct look.
Alright, so good mix, and that's it.
Okay, so first thing I have to do is fry the chicken. So
for this chicken, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. For the folks in the USA, corn flour is cornstarch. That's 1, and that's 2. And I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of water into this chicken and corn flour mix. And then just give it a good massage. I added water because it just helps, I just think it helps the corn flour really adhere to the chicken, because you want the chicken to be well coated with the cornstarch.
Okay, so I have my wok here heating up and there's some hot oil in there. And the way you can tell that the oil is ready for cooking is you put some kind of wooden spoon or a wooden spatula or a chopstick, and if you see little bubbles like that forming around the wooden spatula, you know it's ready to fry. So here's my chicken, and in it goes. Alright, so all my chicken's in there, and I'm going to fry it for about 4 minutes. So what you're looking for is your chicken to form just a slightly nice and golden coating. And I'll show you a piece what I'm talking about. Something like that. Alright, you see it? Okay. Just move your chicken around a little bit and make sure that they're not sticking to each other. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to set the chicken aside first. And just give it a shake, get out the excess oil. And then just pour out most of the oil. And then put my wok on high heat, because I'm putting on high heat because this is a stir fry. And a little bit of oil. And this is where we're going to start cooking fast. So I'm putting my garlic and my chili.
Stir that up. Put my chicken back in. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to add my aromatics. Add my onion and my chili pepper. Let it stir. So this is fast. Put in your sauce. Oh, smells awesome. Cashew nuts. Put a good mix. And the finally scallion. Under the fire, and that's it. Thai style chicken and cashew nuts. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so that's it, and it's time to plate and eat. Plenty of onions, a lot of green peppers and chicken. There it is. Ah, just more chicken. Awesome, isn't it? And there you go. This is a Thai style chicken and cashew nut. Very fast to make, very easy to make, as you can see. I did this all under 10 minutes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. At least give me a thumbs up because I'm working up a sweat. It's still hot in Thailand, and most of us are still stuck at home, so I'm doing most of my cooking, which is fun, and making these videos. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See my future cooking videos, please do subscribe to support this channel and hit the bell notification button. So I'll see you guys next time, okay? Take care, bye.